Здравейте, вие сте с Music Space TV. Аз съм Елена, тук сме с Гоби Гупта, a guru in the marketing for music. So, of course, you're working for the artists mainly, but also there was a thesis during the conference today that marketing and the new digital technologies actually help the consumers and the fans also. How does that happen?
So we think there's lots of new music that's coming that fans don't know about. And I think what we're able to do is, look at what you already like and introduce you to bands that maybe you don't know about that you would love. I mean, the same way that some of the online radio stations do through their algorithms, we're able to say, if you like U2, you will like this new band, right? If you like Kings of Leon, you may like this band. And I think when fans see that and the ads give them a little bit of context, like, oh, that's why I'm seeing this ad, they understand why they're being told to watch the new music video. And I think if we do that well, we can help people find bands they didn't know and hopefully that they'll love.
But of course, bands from the major labels.
We work with bands that are signed to labels. We work with independent artists with independent labels all the way to the biggest stars in the world. But the process that which we applies to anyone. And we talk about our process very freely at conferences like this, so artists that are maybe not able to have a label or not able to hire an agency like ours can do some of the types of advertising that we think work. We're happy to share that information with them.
If you have a good song, but without good marketing, it could never go hit. Can you comment on that? And also have in mind that consider that there are YouTube hits and which afterwards became big hits.
Yeah, I think I would like to believe that the best songs are not the ones that are played on radio, and that there's beautiful music being made everywhere. But I think there's a balancing act between good music and good marketing, and also more than that, sort of a structure, right? You can't have a worldwide hit working by yourself. It's too much work. You have to sleep. But having a team and a record label and a sort of a support structure help you sort of grow. And I think artists are great because they think that they really believe in the power of music, and that's what makes them great artists. But as an advertiser and a marketing professional, we believe that we can take a good product and we can use advertising in mass media and social media to project it out and really help it grow. So I think it takes both sides. I think it takes the artist and their passion for what they create, but then I think it also takes advertising professionals and our passion to share that message.